Sewing a pencil case can never be so easy. All you need are 2 fabrics with an iron-on. Never mind, my iron-on is black. These 2 fabrics must be 35 centimeters length and 18 centimeters width. Both linings must be of the same size. On stitching, stitch both of the fabric and the lining on the zipper, both sides. Do a top stitch on both sides of the zipper. Put on the puller zipper on top of the zipper and stitch on. Take care of your corners. On the next video, I will show you how to do your corners, different types of corners. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And let me know your questions or if these tips are helping you. Before you pull out your pencil case, never forget to open your zipper and then pull it out. Ta-da! Now, don't forget to close off your lining. Stitch over and close it off. Done!